In today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you 3 Canva font hacks that you definitely need to know. I am sure they're gonna help you improve your designs. Let's go! The first hack is whenever you have some fonts in Canva, as you can see, some of them you cannot make bolder, but for some designs you need them to be more present or to be bold. So let me show you how you can make these kind of fonts bolder. You just have to click on the font and then you're gonna click on effects. And right here, we're gonna go for outline, you see? Now we're gonna have to match the same color of the font with the outline. Okay, this is too much, right? But here is the trick. You can reduce the thickness till it looks better or till it matches the purpose of your design. This is super. You see, you get like boldness to it, although you cannot make it bold. Let me show you without it so you see the difference. Voila. Let's do it with this other font. It's the same principle, okay? You just need to match the exact color that you have and it works, you see? And this is an uploaded font, so this is not a font from the Canva library, and it works with the same principle. Even though you don't have it in bold, you can kind of make it bolder doing this. Awesome, isn't it? The second hack came super newly in the last Canva Create, and this is the one that I like the most. Let me show you. After Canva Create, it is possible now to add ligatures to the fonts. Let me show you how you can do this. So you just have to click on a font that you have there. This is the name of the fonts, by the way, that I'm using. And then you see this advanced formatting, and then you go on typography, and we go here to ligatures. And what are those? It's explained here. You can combine specific characters elegantly. So if I turn that on, you see that for this font, you can create this super nice effect in some of their characters where they allow ligatures. Sometimes the ligature does not appear right away. What you have to do to try it then and see if it works in different characters is just to go on your keyboard and make the letter that you want it capitalized, okay? Make it big like this. If you want it normal, just don't press shift, don't capitalize it. But to test if other letters have this effect, you just have to write them capitalized, okay? So this is a nice trick for you to test what are the possibilities of these ligatures, okay? So let's see with this font. So just that you have an idea, you go to typography again and turn on ligatures, and you can test and use this kind of arrangements, combinations in different aspects of your designs. These 2 fonts are from the Canva library. This is not. So I'm just showing this to you because this is an uploaded font and it works also for uploaded fonts. Like this, you see, super charming, right? Let's get now to the third hack, and this is gonna make your designs look more professional because in some fonts you will see that they are not evenly spaced, like the space among each character is different. And to make it even, you go here in advanced formatting, typography, and kerning. This refines letter spacing for visual balance. You will see this now. You see? The same for the other ones. So this is super nice. It works for fonts that don't have it kind of embedded in them. So also for fonts that are uploaded, it works for every font in the Canva library. So I hope that these hacks might help you in your design projects. If you like this, just share with someone else that you think that will be helpful too. See you in the next video.